Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are building a Middle Eastern style perfume oil, not the soft type that fades after a short time. This one is warm, rich and lasts well on the skin. I'm calling this one Zafran Suede. It's saffron and amber softened with vanillin, and it settles into a soft warm scent that sits nicely on the skin. It's not really loud, but here it kind of pulls you in. So if you've noticed Middle Eastern perfumes, they are not fresh or airy. They are warm, a bit sweet, and they last long. And also they perform very well in heat, just like our weather. As usual, I build my perfumes in three parts: the structure, the perfume phase, and the carrier. The perfume phase is what you smell first. The structure is what makes it to last and feel complete, and the carrier holds everything together. So if the structure is weak, your perfume is not going to last long. If the perfume phase is weak, your perfume is not going to smell good. And if the carrier is wrong, everything spoils. This is where you have separation and other problems. Now, if you are new to my channel, you are welcome, and if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'm going to start by introducing the ingredients to you, then go ahead to show you how to make this beautiful perfume oil. So I'm starting first with the structure. And the structure is where the longevity comes from, and the depth, and this is also where your fixatives sit. So first one here, I'm using these three for my structure, and the first one here is Cashmeran. This one gives that soft, smooth skin like texture. It also helps the scent to stay close to the skin but still noticeable. And then we have Vanillin. Now vanillin is part of the scent, but it also works with the structure. So for this video, I'm keeping it as a part of the structure. It smooths everything out and adds that soft sweetness that people like. And then we have labdanum. This is a proper fixative. Labdanum deepens the scent and helps the perfume to last longer. So this is what is holding the perfume down. All right, now let's move to the scent part, the perfume phase. For the perfume phase, I'm using saffron, plum, and amber. So saffron is what you notice first when you smell the perfume. It's warm, it's slightly spicy, and very rich. Now we have plum. This one adds a soft dark sweetness underneath. It's not sharp, it's not sugary. And then we have amber. Amber gives the perfume body. All right, it makes it feel full and also supports longevity. So this is it for the perfume phase. Now for the carrier, I'm using DPG, not almond oil, not olive oil. DPG is made for perfume oils. So DPG holds the scent properly and gives it that slightly rich feel on the skin. And then I'll be using my pipette, my beaker, and yes, these are my 10 ml bottles. So I'm making 30 ml perfume oil today, so I can fill in 3 10 ml bottles. This is going to be a 30% concentration. That's why it will be strong and long lasting. So now let's put everything together. Let's make our calculations. So for 30 ml total, our perfume phase is going to be 9 ml, and the remaining 21 ml will be DPG. This concentration is what gives it that strength and long-lasting power. So I'm going to start mixing the perfume oil, and I'm going to start with amber. I'm adding 3.6 ml amber, and next is vanillin. I'm adding 2.1 ml vanillin, and then saffron. I'm adding 0.9 ml saffron, and then plum. I'm adding 0.9 ml plum. And then I'm adding Cashmeran 1.05 ml, and then I'm adding a little labdanum 0.45 ml labdanum. So this is our mixture, and even now I've not added DPG, and I can already smell how it's opening. The saffron comes up first, then it softens quickly, and the warmth just settles underneath. It smells really warm, rich, and very put together. So now I'm going to go ahead and add 21 ml of DPG. This is what turns it into a proper perfume oil. Like, this is your carrier. All right, now if you use something that is not meant to be a carrier for perfume oil, that's where you start having issues like separation and so many other, issues. So this is what we have after adding the DPG. So I'm just going to go ahead and start filling in my 10 ml bottles. So after filling in my bottles, I'm going to go ahead and label them neatly and beautifully. Now let's talk about performance. Remember that this is a perfume oil, so it's not going to project like a spray perfume. It's not going to project like an alcohol perfume, but this perfume oil will last longer on your skin and people will notice it. So because of the structure that we used, the labdanum, the amber, the cashmeran, this perfume is really going to last long. So you have to do one important thing. You have to let this perfume sit for about 1 to 2 weeks. It gets better and smoother and more blended with time. And how do you use this perfume oil? You can apply it on your neck, on your wrist, or anywhere your skin is warm. So guys, this is Zafran Suede perfume oil. This perfume oil smells so good and I can't wait for you all to give it a try. It's warm, it's smooth, it's rich, it's addictive, and most importantly, it is long lasting. So guys, this is the end of my video for today and I hope you all enjoyed it. If you find this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Until then, take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.